Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you, and this time it is Cohorted, and this is what it looks like. This is the outer packaging box, and inside you got a box like this with ribbon detail, really pretty box. So as always, if you're new to Cohorted, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But because I've unboxed this on my channel before and Cohorted has been around for a long time, you might already know the information, so I will add a timestamp down below so you're free to flick forward. So yeah, so Cohorted is a monthly beauty luxury subscription box. It costs £35 a month. You can cancel any time and it ships internationally. All the contents come to over £100 a month. So one of the more expensive boxes on my channel that I've unboxed, but the value is around 3 times or more the cost of the actual price that you would pay. It's featured in a lot of blogs, it's featured in a lot of magazine articles, and it's voted #1 subscription box. I've been looking on their website, so I've been gathering information to do this video. So apparently it's #1 box. So you're billed between the 1st and the 3rd of the month. So if you were to take out a subscription now in January, your first box will be in February, and you will receive it between the 5th and the 15th of the month. All information related to this box I will link down below, so click on the show more, that will bring up the description, and everything related will be down there. If I can find a discount code, then I will seek that out and I will link that down below as well. And if you'd like to see my previous month's box, I will link that down below as well, so take a look there if you're interested. So let's open this box. So inside the box you always get like a mini magazine. Now in here it contains all the information related to the beauty products that are inside your box, and it tells you the cost as well. So I really like to know what the value of the box is. From memory they actually tell you, they tot it up for you. It's written on the first few pages, so let's have a see. Oh yes, it does, on the front page. Oh my gosh, £215. So that's the value of the contents inside this month's box, £215. That's bonkers, isn't it? So we've got a load of products. I'll show you first. There you go. So I'll put this down to the side of me, I'll pick an item up, show you, have a little sniff and a try, and refer back to this magazine. So is there a theme surrounding this month? So it says, "Hello Cohorties, with another year having passed us by, this month's box contains the perfect treats to step up your beauty regime and kickstart your radiant new year complexion." And then it goes on to tell you all about the products that are inside the box, which I'll leave and tell you as we go along. It's got lots of information, so let's pick the first item. And we've got Argentum, and this is, I love the packaging, this is a hydrating day and night cream for face, eyes and neck. And oh my gosh, it's 14 mils. That's the outer packaging. And I'll just open it up. Look at the packaging. It's just like a little parcel. That is lovely. So we've got the cream here, and then we've got a leaflet in here. This is a 14ml miniature, and the recommended retail price for this is £36. And it says, Argentum has formulated an award-winning patented fusion of 2 vital ingredients, silver hydrosol and DNA HP. La Potion Infinite, unique synthesis of powerful active ingredients, will have a profound effect on your skin, resulting in an encompassing treatment of wrinkles, facial blemishes and oxidative stress. And the notable effects are improved fine line and wrinkles, instantly firming and tightening, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. And it's won the Beauty Shortlist Award for 2014, and it's won the Bazaar Beauty Awards 2015, and it's won the Beauty Shortlist Awards in 2017. So they've won all these awards. Wow. So that's what the outer packaging looks like there. Smart packaging. So I just want to try a tiny bit. That's what it looks like now. I have put quite a bit on now. That was a bit more of a blob than what I wanted. It's got a nice smell. It feels nice. It's quite thick and luxurious. I think this is going to be more of a, it's not absorbing well into my hand because I've put on too much. But for me personally, it's a sort of cream that I would put on nighttime, because I prefer to wear a lot thicker creams at night and lighter ones during the day. But no, it's blended in fine now. Really excited to try that. So that's our first item. Our next one is, oh, I've had this before, it's really good. It's Perricone MD, and it's a blue plasma cleansing treatment. So this is a 59ml. I had this in a subscription box that was called Love Me Beauty, I think it was called, about a year or 2 ago, And yeah, it was really good. They did a lot of Perricone MD products in their boxes, and I did try this, and it's nice, really, really nice and cooling. Just nice, took my makeup off and felt nice. I don't know what else to say, it was just good. So let's see what the information says in here. So the recommended retail price for this one is £15, and it says a blue gem that targets your every needs, from cleansing to makeup remover. The 3-in-1 no rinse treatment deeply cleanses as it gently exfoliates and conditions, leaving skin instantly radiant with the help of biospecific peeling technology, hydrofusion technology and hyaluronic acid to also plump the skin, leading to more youthful looking, softer complexion. Paired with micellar molecules to trap pollutants as well as unclog pores from deep within, leaving you with rebalanced, hydrated, smooth skin. And it tells you how to apply it, just with a cotton wool, liberally over the face, followed by a moisturizer. So no, really happy to have that again. I've obviously run out of it now. It was a while ago since I had it, so not quite like that. Next item is, it's a familiar. Not familiar for Cohorted, but a familiar in that I've just recently had it in the last week. And this is the Avent night cream. And we had this in this month's glossy box as well. And this is like worth £98, and it is wonderful. If you've had a glossy box this month and you've tried it, please let me know your thoughts on it. My own personal feelings is that it is an amazing cream. Even though you're going to bed with a cream on, my face just looks nice and blurred, which, yeah, it doesn't really make sense for a night cream, but it feels so soft, really soft. And when I wake up in the morning, wash my face and everything, it's just really nice. I get really excited to try night creams, and the reason why is when I wake up in the morning, I want to have a look at my face straight away to see what I look like. So I have tried some creams before, specifically Korean skincare, and it's like, oh my gosh, you know, my face, it's not the best anyway. It's got lots of imperfections and texture and pores, scars and everything. But on certain night creams, my face just looks like, I don't know, I haven't just woken up. It looks nice and fresh and youthful and plumped, and this does that to me. So I'd love to know your thoughts, and I'm super happy to have it in this box as well. So yeah, the recommended retail price for this is 50ml, and it is £98. Deluxe Hyaluronic Day and Night Cream, a delightful anti-aging moisturizer for face and targeted eye area, formulated with hyaluronic acid to deeply nourish your skin. It also combines signature ingredients to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, even skin tone, fine lines, dullness and weakened skin surface. It just does all that. It completely does all that. So no, really happy with that. Next we've got, what's this? Seas of Illumination Highlighting Liquid by Rouge Beauty, or Beauty Rouge, and this is a 15ml. That's what the outer packaging looks like. Oh wow, again, smart packaging. Love the packaging. Oh, I can't open it. Oh, that's what that looks like there. Let's pull it out. Yay! Oh, whoa. Oh, again, I've put too much on my hand. I gotta learn. Just tiny bit. Oh, that is lovely. That is pale. That is quite silvery. Can you see there? Obviously, I haven't blended it in. Let's blend it in a bit more. That is quite a highlight there. Really lovely. I think what I would do with that is apply it to just certain areas of my face. And yeah, no, you might not be able to tell. It's just given like a little bit of a shiny sort of surface to my hand there. But I think with this, I'd either put it in my foundation, specifically more if I was going out or in the summertime, a bit more of a glow to my face, or, oh, it dries quite fast as well. Or I would place it like on just the high points where I'd normally put highlighter, and maybe here, tiny bit, and get like a buffing brush, a stippling brush type thing, and just blend that into my skin before I apply my foundation. And I could, if you know, add a little bit more on top as you go along. So that's what I would personally do, but I do love highlighting liquids. I got quite a few of them. The recommended retail price for this one is £33, and it says, be as playful as the magical being that you are and create stunning inside out illumination on your face and body with a versatile highlighting liquid. The moisturizing surge of liquid pearls will dance whispers on your skin till dawn as this water-based refreshing emulsion blends easily with a moisturizer or foundation. It can be layered both both under or on top of your makeup for a variety of effects, with plant-derived non-greasy emollient squalene for supple, soft and healthy looking skin. For naturally glowing to spectacularly luminous with a silky finish that suits all skin types. No, that's that one. We've got here, it looks like a chocolate bar. It's not, or one of those soaps you get in a hotel. That's what the outer packaging is. It's Argentum again, so another product by Argentum. It's facial cleansing bar with silver hydrosol and DNAHP. That's what it looks like there. Can you see in the picture? That's what it looks like there. I'm going to save that. I won't open that up just yet, but the recommended retail price for just this little thing is £15. So Argentum utilises the inherent strength of silver to deliver La Savon Lune, an illuminating hydration bar with purifying properties and cutting-edge science. Whoa! After many years of research in the field of anti-aging, they have formulated a patented fusion of two vital ingredients, silver hydrosol maybe, and DNAHP, the essence of their award-winning La Potion Infinie. Noticeable effects: soap-free cleansing bar, removes makeup and tightens pores, non-drying and non-comedogenic, and antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Look at the pictures in this magazine that go alongside the information. They're lovely, aren't they? Just classic beauty. So that's our 5th item. So no, even though it's super tiny and I thought it was like a hotel type soap thing, no, it sounds really, really good. So maybe something like to, I don't know, take on holiday. Got one item left, and it was a hand cream, and it's by, I'm so sorry if I'm going to mispronounce this, but it's by Jorgobé. I'll show you and then you can see it for yourselves. So this is a hand cream, and it says this fast absorbing softening hand cream nourishes and protects your hands for up to 72 hours, and this is 75ml. Actually, packaging looks like there. So let's try it. We haven't applied anything. It's got a sealy thing on it. Oh, the smell is gorgeous. Put a tiny bit on my wrists. No, that's lovely. And yeah, it's a hand cream. It's a hand cream. It feels lovely. I love hand creams. I got a load of them, but they're all dotted around the house because I live in a house of 3 children and a husband as well, and some animals, but obviously they don't need hand creams. This time of year, they do have like chapped hands and chapped lips. So yeah, I've got lip balms and hand creams everywhere. I've got them in my car, I've got them in a few different handbags and everything. So no, this one's lovely. I keep on touching it. It's blended into my skin, it absorbs well, and it's just leaving that really nice smooth barrier on my hands. So no, I'm really happy with that. So what is the information about this? Won the Danish Beauty Awards for 2018, and this would cost you £18. And it says Jorgobé hand cream is an award-winning nourishing and moisturizing cream that will help your hands and cuticles regain their natural softness. The hand cream absorbs quickly, leaving your hands pleasantly soft and no greasy residue. This intensive hand cream contains vitamin A and E encased in black pearls, which are activated when applied. Oh, I didn't even notice that. See the picture there on the hand? I didn't even notice that. Not on the part that I did. Maybe once I start using it a little bit more, I'll probably see them. Never mind. And it says active ingredients from coconut, avocado, jojoba, and as well as shea butter have a nourishing and softening effect on the skin and cuticles. Sugar beet helps smooth the skin tone, while carbohydrate complex provides in-depth moisture, preventing premature aging caused by dehydration. So those are all the products. I'm just going to gather them all up. I've just seen on the back page here, but there's not much information about it, and it's a Too Faced primed and poreless face primer sample size. Now there's nothing else in my box, so I'm not sure whether we're all supposed to get like a little sample of it or not. I haven't had one, but I will take everything out. Maybe it's buried deep under, but no, that sounds quite nice actually. It sounds perfect for me. Yeah, it's that's there. It hasn't got a price in it, so it is a sample, but I haven't got it in my box, so I will take everything out and the worms and everything, and I'll have a good old look, so I might have it there. So inside January's cohorted box, we have got 6 beauty products with a total value of £215. So considering you're paying £35, you can't deny that this is a really good value box. But it all depends on your preferences though, it all depends. So there's not much makeup, there's a highlighting liquid, but besides that it's all skincare related, which is fine. I love skincare, especially January as well. So your skin, well, especially me after overeating, over drinking, yeah, I need all the help I've got. But yeah, so we've got 2 products by Argentum, which is the day and night cream, and we've got the cleansing bar. Then we've got a Perricone MD, it's a cleanser. We've got a Avent skincare, it's a night cream. Then we got a hand cream by, I can't say it, Jorgobé. And then we've got a highlighting liquid by Rouge Bunny Rouge. So those are all the items there. I have noticed we've got 2 night creams. Well, this is a day and a night cream, but and the Avent is the night cream. We've also got 2 cleansers. We've got a cleansing bar and cleansing liquid. Now these sound absolutely brilliant, but it would be nice to have completely different products. If I was to give a little bit of feedback on this box, I think, yeah, it's wonderful. The products are great, but it would be nice, it would have been nice to have something a little bit different. It seems a bit samey, but I can't wait to try them. I am really excited to try them. I know I love this Avent cream. It is amazing, absolutely amazing. So I'm going to stop talking now because I tend to blab on and on and on when it comes to the end of the video, and I have to edit a ton out. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think this is a great box? Do you get cohorted? Is it a box that interests you? All your comments and your thoughts, I'd love to know, regardless of your opinion, whether you like it or you don't. I don't mind. I don't mind. And obviously, if you've got any feedback from myself, I would greatly appreciate that as well. Constructive feedback though. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And as I always say, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.